Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a reputable VPN that supports Google Chrome or your device. Choose a provider for privacy and speed. Create your account, then download the Chrome extension or the system app now. Install and grant the minimal permissions requested because Google services need those to route traffic. Once done, sign into the VPN app and make sure automatic updates are enabled. This prevents compatibility issues. You're ready for the next step, connecting and choosing the right server for Google access. You now connect and configure the VPN. Open the app or Chrome extension, select a server in the country you need. Lower latency is faster, choose nearby when possible. Make sure the kill switch is enabled to protect data if the connection drops, and pick a modern protocol like WireGuard or OpenVPN for reliability and speed. Once connected, test your new IP and check latency. If Google is slow or blocking content, switch servers until you get a stable, fast connection. You finish by verifying Google access and handling common issues. Sign into your Google account and test Gmail or search. If you see errors, clear cache and cookies, then reload. Make sure WebRTC is disabled in your browser or use an extension to prevent IP leaks, and run a DNS leak test to confirm privacy. If Google blocks access, change servers, enable obfuscation or stealth mode, and if needed, contact your VPN support. That usually resolves the remaining problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.